What's up everyone, Josh Quinones here, coming to you from the Hisense booth. Once again, get ready to be impressed with this one because I know I am. Hisense has unveiled their first micro LED TV, the 136MX. And yes, that's 136 inches and it is a game changer. So first off, the TV itself has a nice slim look to it. So it's definitely something that's going to look good up on your wall, just like what you see here. Now, when it comes to the actual display, the colors look great with a nice realistic look to them, but also have a nice vibrant look to them as well. It looks really good. We also get nice deep blacks and a nice sharp picture that you'll feel like you can just walk right up to and touch whatever it is you are watching. That's the micro LED magic, and Hisense has truly nailed it with this one right here. Now, what makes this so much more advanced than older TVs that use backlights is that this 136MX uses millions of tiny LEDs, each one shining bright on its own. The result that we get from this is an incredible contrast, incredible brightness with 10,000 nits of peak brightness and a picture that is always crystal clear. And the awesome part about this TV is that it was built to last. We don't have to worry about burn-in like with other types of TVs over time. Now, aside from that, Hisense has also packed this TV with their top of the line tech. You've got AI helping to make everything look amazing. Just like the Hisense 116UX, this TV is being powered by Hisense's new HiView AI Engine X chipset. And this powerful processor optimizes each frame in real time using AI features like AI peak brightness, AI banding smoother for amazing clarity and smooth transitions. It also dynamically adjusts contrast, brightness, and color to help make every scene look more realistic and immersive. It also has an AI light sensor to detect the light in the room and adjust the brightness accordingly on its own to help save energy. Now, looking at the TV, it might almost seem like it has a matte display, but it actually doesn't. Hisense is calling this their black nano crystal coating, and it pretty much prevents any type of glare or reflection. Even with all of the lights around it on the show floor, I still was not able to see any reflections and was able to just enjoy what was being shown on screen. And it's absolutely beautiful. And for the gamers out there, this TV is for you too. With a 120 hertz refresh rate, low input lag, and support for 4K gaming, you're gonna have a fun time and a great gaming experience on this TV right here, especially on this huge display. This will definitely take your gaming setup to the next level. But if you're looking to upgrade your gaming setup in another way, then why not customize your gaming console with some skins from our sponsor of today's video, Dbrand. Dbrand has given my PS5 a whole new look with their skins and plates they have available. It's nice to be able to just change up the look whenever I want. Or maybe you have an Xbox. They've got tons of skins to choose from to give your Xbox a whole new look to better match your gaming setup. Or maybe you have a Nintendo Switch. Yes, we didn't forget about you. They got skins for the Switch as well. They've even got skins for your smartphone and their famous grip case to protect that smartphone, which you can also customize with all the skins they have available. So if you find yourself interested in any skins for your smartphone or gaming console or any plates for your PS5, I'll make sure to drop a link down in the description below so you can check some out for yourself. But back to the Hisense 136MX. It's not just all about the picture. The sound is expected to be incredible too. With Dolby Atmos and a powerful multi-channel speaker system, we can definitely expect a great sound experience. And if it's anything like their other TVs, we are going to get a sound experience just based off of my own experience with their TVs in the past. It's got 4 built-in speakers and a built-in subwoofer as well to bring out that low end, which is great, especially for when watching movies. Now, of course, I was not able to test out sound on the show floor, but I am definitely looking forward to hearing what this TV is going to sound like in the near future. But the 136MX is definitely a TV that you just need to experience for yourself. Hisense is truly pushing the boundaries this year. I mean, they are coming in hot. And if you would like to know more, I'll be sure to leave a link down in the description below. Make sure to leave your thoughts and questions down in the comment sections below. Thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will catch you on the next one. Peace out.